Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and components. This is critical. Install two XCR123 batteries with correct polarity, then attach the fin module until you hear a click. Once done, inspect O-rings and seals to prevent water ingress. This preserves performance. Press and hold trigger plus mode for 3 seconds to perform the initial activation. You'll see LED patterns that indicate firmware status. You do this to sync subsystems and ensure swim calibration begins immediately. Don't skip this step. You now calibrate movement and pairing. Accuracy here matters for smooth handling. Place the device in roughly 0.5 m of still water and let it idle so gyros and compass align. Then, using the controller, adjust trim, tweak pitch, yaw, and thrust in small 1% increments. Make one change at a time to see effects. Once stable, pair Bluetooth by selecting ATTAC X3 and confirming code 0000. This links telemetry and lets you fine-tune controls in real time. You finish by practicing maneuvers and knowing recovery steps. This prevents accidents. Start with short burst swims, 2 to 3 second thrusts, to learn responsiveness and conserve battery life. Use soft turns first, then increase roll gradually to avoid stalls. This preserves momentum and reduces stress on motors. If the unit becomes unresponsive, reset the firmware, reseat batteries, and repeat Bluetooth pairing. This sequence clears common glitches. Finally, if problems persist, inspect the prop and seals for obstruction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.